What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Gonna do another video today. So today we are going to be doing some push pins for the bumper, which are right here. And see, it's just these just go ahead and pop right in, just like that. But with these, I've already went ahead and checked. See, I've already taken one out of here, one bolt, and double checked the thread pitch. So these are the exact same threads, and I'll link these down in the description for the Mazda Speed guys. So if you want to do your bumper brackets or push buttons, these are the same threads, and you don't have to really mess with it too much. Now this will be my first time ever doing this, so pretty much from what I can understand, I had watched fellow YouTubers video Road Royals. I will put his YouTube down in the description, and I've watched his videos and he's taught me a few things. But all I'm gonna do is pretty much every single one of these come with, it'll be 2 washers and a bolt. Or two washers and 2 bolts. So it'll be, if I can get this sorted, it'll be one washer like this on the inside, and pretty much it will just sit down into the threads of the bracket, and then this will go on the back side. Like the stock bumper bracket will go in between here, and then you'll just adjust the length on how long these are outside of, well, how far they are pushing out of the bracket to dictate on where the bumper placement is. So you can drill the hole in the bumper, put these and tighten it down on the bumper, and then click, and it's easy to remove. Like my brackets, the clips on them are broken on a couple of them, and the clips in mine have broke off, like right here on the bumper itself, or right here to where even a screw will not hold it in. Or on the other side, it's just, it holds it in, but like this clip right here is broken. So like if I'm doing a pull or something, then my bumper can sit there and just, the sides of it can just pop off, even though I have the center hardware for it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that. Alright guys, so I got the pins in. This one sits a little bit far back, so we'll see about adjusting that one. But all I did was put like either some kind of wax or just something on there so you can tell where to drill. Right there. I'm going to be putting masking tape on this side and then drilling with a step bit. Not sponsored by Craftsman or anything, but let's get to it. Alright guys, I got it adjusted and everything, which the only reason now is because of the clips. But this one right here, I don't know if you can see that very well. I just had to bend it slightly to get at the angle this one is at. Which, I mean, all I did was just put it in a vise and smack it with a hammer. But yeah, you can see there's a slight bend to it, but besides that, it just needs a little bit of force. A little bit of force. There we go. And now that looks way better. Look at that. It's not gonna come off now compared to this side, which just does that. It'll literally do that driving down the highway. Like I've pulled up to wherever my destination was, and bumper's been like, the corner's been off. So figured between autocross, drag racing, and just daily driving this thing, that would be a valid reason to do these push pins. And I did not want to drill into the bumper or the fenders to do the little figure 8 latch things. Because I already have like 12 holes in it from Arrow. But yeah, just got to do the other side, and I will put the companies, I will put them down in the description. Overall, I like them. I really do like them. And like 20 bucks each, or 20 bucks for 2 of them. So if you just need one, boom, 20 bucks, that's it. One on each side. And we'll get the other side done. All right, guys, we got the other side, this side on, which may need to adjust a little bit. This side's dang perfect. Just needs a little bit of, you know, love to get it to sit. But just as of right now, she sits. I had to bend it just a hair to get it to sit. But now, it all comes off. That one's bent also, see? Yeah, barely. But yeah, I may need to tighten this one down a little bit further down. But she sits. She's all good now. And now, bumper won't come off on the highway. All right, y'all, got everything adjusted with it. It fits much better. You can see here, it gave this a little bit of clearance and pulled it off the intercooler, because I don't have any under tray or fender wells. I mean, just the fitment is overall is pretty good for my first time ever doing it. This side isn't the best, but you know, and I do recommend this company. I do recommend these. These are the same, and I did leave the hardware out on this forward one. I'm basically just using the threads. Like, it's the thing is not going all the way out. It's to the end of the threads, and then I bent it out, up, and out a little bit so it can click. Just like that. And then it just needs a little extra love, and she's tight. And like it's not gonna, I may need to adjust this a little bit, but overall it's good. So if you could, please like, subscribe, comment on this video, share it around if you could, and stay tuned for more content. See ya.